Hello, my friends, and welcome back to our Tier Portal training course. I hope you are doing well and ready for another lesson in industrial automation. Today, we will continue our journey into Siemens PLC programming and automation system using the Tier Portal. In this lesson, I want to talk about how to convert the schematic to ladder logic, and let's start. And let's start with the easy one. So we have the PLC, and let's assume that we connected it, like if you remember from the previous lesson, like the syncing. This one, we make a jumper here, and we connect two buttons to light the lamp, for example, and let's do it like this one and this one, and we have the 1 hour button here. Let's do it like this and and do it like this. It's our first button, and let's do it like this. And is our normal close button. It's a second button. And here we have the lamp. Let's also do it. It's our line L. And here we have our lamp. Yes. And in the schematic, my friends, we do it like this. Is our plus, and this one is, let's do it plus like this, and this our minus. So firstly is minus, and here we have the plus. And we want to connect our button with the when we press this one, our button is first button. Our light is light, and when we release this button is still light until we press the second button. Let's give the name for it. Is the first button, and this one is our second button. So my friends, what will we do? Firstly, let's make it like this. Let's see, this one and this one, and here we have our light like this, and let's make connection like this, and let's do it like this. And then it's our first button, it's our second button, and this was our contact. Contact same like this. It's our K0, and this is our K1. So my friend, this is a simple example, but all the big features start with a simple. So I think you you can easily convert it to the ladder logic without any problems. So we do it so like this is our logic, ladder logic. We use the PB1 and PB2, and we use the other 01 and 02, and also we have the output on the Q00. So let's do it together. And we have the one contact here and the second normal close contact, and finally we have our lamp. Let's do it like red, and here we must write self closed contact. Sorry, close this one, and for do the self close contact, my friends, we must give the same name for the output and for this contact, which connected after our first button. Is our button PB1, is the PB2 is our lamp, this one, and it's our self close contact. And my friends, let's do another example. And let's do it like this. So we have one line here and one here, and let's make our logic 1, 2, and 3, and then do it like this. One, two, three, then 4, 5, and the last one is here. And here we write our contact relay, and let's give the number of our contacts. Let's assume that is first contact, and this one is our second contact, and this one is our third contact, and this one is the last contact. And here we have two relay. Let's give the name of this A and F. So my friends, how we do this one? Let's do it together. First we write the line here, and let's start from the this part, and then continue with this part, or we can start with this part. So we start with the third contact. Firstly is is our third contact. Then we connected to our output, output is number is a F. Then let's connect it our B and D side. B and D side is also start our F. Sorry, 2 and 4 side. For 2 we make it like this, and then we do our 4 and connect it to our F part. But in this case, my friends, we must do two networks. We must make two networks. Is our first network, and let's continue. And here we must do like the. Now we must have A and B part, 1 and 4. For this we do it like is the 1 and is the 4, and it's also connected for here. So it's our first network, which the switch on the F relay. And let's do the last part and last network for switch on this relay. So we will copy this part, but from the end to the beginning of this network. And let's do it like this, and our output. Then we connect only second part, this one, and connect our A part. A part is this one. So let's give the address. And this one is our 3. This one is our 2 and 4. 2 and 4. This one is the our 1 and 4. And for this part, we start from the 3 and 4. But when we yes, okay, it's a 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Then we start with the only the second, only 2. And here we start with the 1. So my friends, I think it's not difficult to convert the electrical diagram to our ladder logic, and I think from the next lesson we start our practical exercise. And that's all for today, my friends. I wish you all the best, and I wish you good health. Subscribe to our channel and push the like button if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next lesson.